Hi guys, in our Volvo XC40 we have the start-stop support battery service required message. This means that our small support battery is dead, and today we'll show you how to replace it. Volvo XC40 has two 12-volt batteries. Under the hood you will find the 12-volt starter battery, and underneath the fender liner, approximately in this area, this is where our second battery is located, the support battery, and this is the one that causes this error. Couple of words before we begin. These batteries are supposed to last up to 10 or 12 years. Ours died after only around 4 years. The reason for that is, in order to make sure that this battery gets charged, you have to drive your vehicle on the regular basis, and you should not have any short trips. The way the system is configured in Volvo XC40 is the small battery only gets charged after your main starter battery is adequately charged. And today we'll show you a couple of tests that will prove this. When you replace the start and stop battery, you should disconnect the negative terminal on the main battery. We won't be doing that because we will be performing a charging test on our support start and stop battery. First we need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Now we have enough room to remove 6 screws, and we will use Torx 25 bit. Now you can pull off the fender liner, and inside, guys, we will see our start and stop battery. To simplify our fender liner removal, we will also remove 2 nuts, plastic nuts, and there is one more bolt over there. Right now we will disconnect the positive terminal. We'll use 8mm socket, and you guys have to be careful not to touch any metal around this terminal. There is a bracket on the left, so be very careful when you remove this terminal. It's a good idea to isolate this terminal while you're working removing the second terminal. Right now we want to test if our start and stop battery gets any voltage while the vehicle is off. Basically we want to test if it's charging while the vehicle is off. For this we'll connect our multimeter. One lead will be connected to the negative side, to the negative clamp, and the positive one will be connected to the cable that came to our positive terminal on the battery. This is the charging cable, so we'll connect the positive lead to that one, and let's see what we got. It shows us 0 volts. This means that while the vehicle is off, the start and stop battery is not charging. Right now we will start the vehicle and we want to see if we'll get any voltage while the vehicle is working. Right now the alternator is working, and let's repeat our test. Guys, again we will connect the red lead to the red cable, and what I got. And as you can see, we still do not get any voltage. Time, nothing. The reason why this is happening is because the computer inside the vehicle does not supply any voltage to the start-and-stop battery until the main starter battery is adequately charged. And this is why we don't see any voltage on our multimeter, even though the alternator is working. Now we can disconnect the clip. Now again we'll use 8mm socket to disconnect the negative terminal now. It's on the right side in this case. Now we'll use 8mm socket to remove one bolt that holds the bracket, which in turn holds the battery in place. Remove the bolt. And then we'll be able to remove this bracket. Now the battery is loose, and you'll be able to take it out. This is our old battery, the dead battery. I'll show you guys the part number for this one. This was made in the 2020. And right here we have the new battery. The part number is different, but these batteries are interchangeable. And this one was made in 2024. Another small difference that they have is the original battery had 170 cold cranking amps, and the new one has 180. And right now we'll connect the battery tester to both batteries, and we'll show you guys the difference. We'll connect our battery tester, first the dead battery, and like I said guys, this has 170 cold cranking amps. Gotta make sure that there is solid connection. And now we will perform the battery test. This is AGM, both of them are AGM batteries. You have to specify cold cranking amps. This one has 170. And it says that the power is too low, and the current voltage in our battery is 9.5.6 volts, which again guys, this means that the battery is dead. Power too low, it can't even test it at the moment. Okay, we got something guys. Look at this. Bad cell replace, health 0%, charge 0%, 9.5 volts. And now we'll test the good battery, the new one. Connect the positive and negative, and let's take a look guys. Battery test, AGM, yes, CCA, right now it's 180. and it's testing without any problems. And look at that, good battery, health 100%, charge 100%. It's perfect right now. 260 cc, that's what it shows, rated 180. We will apply some dielectric silicone on both terminals before we install the battery. And as you can see, there is enough room to remove and install the new battery without removing the wheel or lifting the wheel. The bracket goes back in place. We install the bolt. Now first we will reconnect the positive terminal. Use light to moderate torque here. And now we can reconnect the negative. Installation is complete, and now we can reinstall the liner. Now we'll do the rest of the screws. We will start the car now, and let's see if we still have the message. And yes guys, we still have the message, start stop support battery service required. And right now I will show you how to reset the system. To reset the system, we will need to disconnect the negative terminal of the starter 12-volt battery. Carefully put it aside, and we will need to leave it off for at least 15 minutes. Alright, after 20 minutes we will reconnect our negative terminal. You guys can also use the torque wrench. The torque for this one is 6 Newton meters. And we will start the car again. And as you guys can see, we still do not get any new messages, which means that we have successfully reset the error message for our start and stop battery. And of course your start and stop function will work normally again. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.